Hi, morning. Lasers na mga parang bato siya. Tapos yung mga yung 2005 and then we are here. Our third official day here in Iceland. Ayan yung aurora sa picture. Baka hindi niyo makita sa video, but anyway. So this is the continuation or second part of our Iceland adventure, and before we continue, I'll be giving you some trivias about Iceland. Number 1, there are no last name like most countries. So kapag ka pinanganak ka dito, hindi mo kukunin yung last name ng tatay mo kung hindi kukunin mo yung first name niya. So second trivia, there are no McDonald's in Iceland. So bawal ang fast food. Bawal ang McDonald's dito. And then the third one, Icelanders believe in elves. And then number 4, northern lights and 24-hour sunlight. So depending on your season, pwede kang 24 hours yung araw o sa panahon nga namin is wala masyadong araw. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa may Seljalan Falls. Hindi ko na sure kung ito yung correct pronunciation niya, but anyway, it's currently 5 PM pero medyo pababa na yung araw or bumaba na talaga yung araw. And then, ito lang siya. Actually, this one is very famous and sobrang ganda niya sa personal kasi it was a shooting location of the different even in Game of Thrones. May shot dito, so ayan siya. Actually, pwede ka daw maglakad dun sa likod ng falls na to. Ayan. Ang kagandahan dito sa Switzerland eh, yung mga tourist attractions wala namang bayad. So, yung parking lang talaga yung need mong bayaran. So, ayun siya. Sobrang ganda pa ng pero medyo madilim-dilim. So, let's see. Ano pa yung makikita natin? O, diba? O, tara. Sama na muna kayo sa video. Mabilis lang. Ayun yan lang. Background natin to. Isang picture. 1, 2, 3. Ang lakad. Okay, thank you.
한결편안해지고 했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈 매번 지랄했어 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can't see the last night
So just a quick story time on how we found and saw the aurora. So since nagpapakita nga yung aurora in between 11 PM to 2 AM, so we decided na magpahinga muna ng gabi. So nagpahinga kami ng mga around 8 PM hanggang 11 PM. Personally, I sleep at saka nagising na lang ako ng 11 PM and then niyaya ko sila, okay, let's go to the next camping site. So it's a 3 hours drive and then baka naman makita natin yung aurora. So, initially, wala kaming nakikita until ginamit ni Mark yung phone niya with yung low light. So, nakita niya may the place ng aurora. So, we drive papunta sa mga sa ibang place pa. Actually, may sinusundan kaming app which is called Hello Aurora. Yung mga users no, nag-upload ng kanilang photo with aurora and then ipipin nila yung location para pwedeng puntahan ng mga ibang users din. So, natsambahan talaga namin. Hi guys, so basically, ito yun yung aurora sa picture. Baka hindi nyo makita sa video. But anyway, we wake up around 11. Ako lang pala, hindi sila masyadong nakatulog. And then it's currently around, what time? 1 AM? 1 to 2 AM. So, ito yung mga hunting time ng aurora. We drive papunta dun sa another campsite. So, let's... Hi guys, I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, but anyway, low light version ng gamit ko. And ayan, ayun yung aurora na nasa taas namin. So, kanina, hindi pa siya masyadong visible. So, pero ngayon, visible na siya for the naked eye. And, ayan. So, hi guys. Ito na, nakikita na. Siguro nakita niyo na sa video yung aurora. Ayan. Ayun na, nakita na siya sa camera. Ayan na. Wow.
Totoo na siya.
Totoo na siya.
Nakikita na siya
Ng naked eye. Grabe, sobrang lakas niya ngayon ah. Hi everyone, good morning. So this is our officially third day here in Iceland, Switzerland, and so yung video nung nakaraan, it's more on the Golden Circle plus yung Northern Line experience namin. And now I'll be showing with you the life of a camper. So ayan yung camper van namin. So nandito kami ngayon sa isang camping site malapit dun sa destination namin. I think dun sa Diamond Beach, and nagluluto lang ako dyan actually. Sobrang lamig kaya medyo na overpower ata yung butane. So ayun.
Looking at headlights from inside your window. It's cold in your room.
So it's currently our third official day here in Iceland. So nung first day is dumating kami, naglibot kami ng city center. Then yesterday we did the Golden Circle, as well as naghunting din kami ng Aurora Borealis. So it's our third day and it's currently around 1:16 p.m. Medyo sunrise na kasi 11 a.m. nagsa-sunrise dito, and we are currently at the Diamond Beach. So ayun yung Diamond Beach na nasa likod ko. I will explain you later kung bakit siya tinawag na Diamond Beach. So anyway, ito nga pala yung camper van na nirent namin. So ayan, dinikit ko lang. Ayun yung camper van namin, and hanggang tomorrow lang kami dito. So let's see kung ano mangyayari for today. So let's go! So hi guys, hindi na nga kami ngayon sa Diamond Beach. So dinawag siyang Diamond Beach hindi dahil sa may mga diamonds siya, kung hindi dahil dito sa mga tipak-tipak ng bato na parang diamonds. So these are not diamonds but are glaciers, no? Yan yung mga glaciers, ayun sila. Tapos sikat din to for the sea creature, as well as yung kanyang contrast between black as well as yung mga white. So ayun siya. One, ayan, para siyang tipak ng yellow. Ayan, ganyan yung mukha niya. So it's like a yellow lang, pero glaciers yan. So kaya siya tinawag na Diamond. We're currently at Djúpársárlón. So katabi lang niya yung Diamond Beach. So ayun yung Diamond Beach sa bandang yan. And then we have here the Djúpársárlón, or ito yung lake na may floating iceberg. So kung makikita nyo, ayan, sobrang ganda niya sa in person. So and ito meron about climate change and everything, pero it is a different experience kapag ka pumunta kayo dito. Alam nyo yung parang mga pampaswerte sa mga Chinese, and ito mga sobrang laki nila. So ayan, this is the mid-sun kasi around 2 p.m. ngayon, and ayan, sobrang ganda ng mga iceberg na to. It's a different experience. Kung mahilig kayo sa landscape, sobrang ganda niya.
Okay din? Yan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Isa pa. See guys, look how fascinating it is. Grabe yung yellow. Unlimited halo-halo. So here are some interesting facts about
With the
Jokol
glacier.
Sarlon Glacier Lagoon. So number 1, you can sail among 1,000-year-old icebergs. So yung mga icebergs na yan ay 1,000 years old na. Second, because of the climate change, yung lagoon na yan ay medyo growing since nga nagme-melt na yung mga ice. And then number 3, Hollywood loves Jokor Salon. So there are several blockbuster films that were shot here, including James Bond, Die Another Day, A View to a Kill, Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, as well as Batman Begins. Since we are driving here in Iceland and doing a road trip, so I'll be giving you some trivias about Iceland road rules. So number 1, headlights must be on at all times. Kahit na may araw pa yan, kailangan na nakabukas yung headlights mo. Second, of course, seatbelts are mandatory. And then, the third one, speed cameras are everywhere. Kahit na nasa liblib ka pang lugar, kahit wala pang mga puno na nasa paligid mo, speed cameras are everywhere. And then the next one, one-lane bridges and tunnels. So, napansin nga namin dito, may mga single-lane bridges or one-way tunnels kaming nadaanan. And then, roundabouts are common as well on Iceland, especially kapag papunta ka na ng city. In the countryside, free roaming sheep often wander on the road, so drive carefully. And then last one, wind can open car doors too fast. Hi guys, so nag-transfer kami dito. So we drive around 2 to 3 hours from yung sa southern part, and then we are here at Vic. Ito yung stop line. Tapos ito lang ako guys. Sobrang lamig na dito. Hi, morning everyone. It's currently our day 4 here in Iceland and umulan kagabi. So, sobrang dulas. Para kang nagsiski or nag-ice skating. And wala akong crampons or yung parang mga spikes doon sa aking mga boots here. So medyo madulas talaga. Anyway, so this is our camper van. So nakita niyo naman yan sa mga previous vlogs ko. And we went for the night here. Ayan, pakita ko lang kayo. So ito siya. Ayan yung view. So ayan siya. And then, dito lang yung kanilang CR. So, may CR dyan. And then, ayun yung mga other camper vans. Actually, it's currently around 10 magte-10 AM na. And wala pa ring araw. And ayun siya. Merong falls banda doon. Pero not sure kasi sobrang dulas. Baka hindi ko kayanin. Itutour ko lang kayo dito sa camper van namin na pinagstayan namin for 3 nights. So basically, ito binayaran nga namin siya ng mga around 20 to 30,000 pesos. So tatlo kami. That's already for 3 days. It's cheaper than a hotel, of course. But again, you need to pay for the camping site and of course yung gas. Pero kasi since Iceland talaga is to tour around using a car, so pinag-isipan din namin. So eto na yon. So here, ito yung medyo maluwag naman siya guys. So may table dito, may sink. Actually, pero sa winter hindi siya usable since yung mga pipes ay baka mag-freeze at mazira lang. Meron din siyang cooler, so you can put your meats and parang fridge na din siya. And then we have here like yung drawer niya. Nandyan yung food namin actually. And then you can lock it like this one. And then meron siyang dalawang seats dito. So actually ang kasya dito is 5 to 6. So ayan. Ayan siya. So we have 2 seats here. And then no, it's okay. And then ito lang yung higaan. Kasya siguro 3, then 2 dito sa taas. So it's 5 persons actually. And ayan. Yan yung so for the charger, ayan, pwede ka mag-charge ng USB or ng Type-C doon. Yeah, powered by the battery and as well as this one. So that's it for our camper van tour. So And then, nag-rent din pala kami nasa baba niya. Actually, yung mga upuan. Pero, hindi na namin nagamit since sobrang lamig sa labas. So, yun lang guys. So, probably we'll walk towards the falls. Let's see kung ano makikita natin doon. Madulas, ano hindi ako madulas. So, let's go! Okay, so, doon nga pala kami nag-campsite. At ito naman yung falls. Ayan siya. So, nung kaninang umaga, hindi pa namin nakakita. Hindi na ako makalapit since medyo madulas. As in, slippery siya. Parang siyang naglalakad ka talaga sa yelo. I forgot to bring or even buy crampons. So, medyo hassle kung maglalakad pa ako papunta doon. Ang nangyari kasi guys is parang may snow tapos umulan kagabi and then patunaw na siya. So, yun yung mga delikadong snow. And sobrang madulas and mabigat pa man din yung katawan ko ngayon. So, not sure if it's really a good thing for me na pumunta pa doon. Anyway, nakikita ko naman siya from here. So, tsaga-tsaga na lang tayo dito. Actually, there are other tourists who are doing it. Look. Baka doon hindi ganun kadulas. Pero I don't wanna risk since nandito na nga tayo. So, hi guys, so that's it for our video in Iceland. It was very good. I did not expect kasi ang ina-expect ko lang naman sa Iceland is the Aurora Borealis. However, there are different tourist destinations that are unbelievable because sabi ko nga dun sa Facebook post ko, I've been to different countries. This is my 46 countries and most of the countries are very beautiful because of their culture, because of the history and everything. But Iceland is like a magnific, untouched, beautiful masterpiece by the nature itself. So hindi siya ginawa ng tao, hindi siya ginawa ng culture. It's like a natural phenomenon. It's a different way of tourist destination, or it's a different way of it's a different thing. It's parang sabi nga nila yung topography kasi niya is parang moon. But anyway, that's it for our video. I'm currently at London Gatwick. I'll be flying to Geneva later. So natulog lang ako dito for one day. So pasensya na sa mga gamit ko. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, kindly click the like, subscribe, as well as mag-comment na rin kayo if ano pa yung gusto nyong puntahan kong country. And maraming salamat sa panonood, and hope this video inspire you to visit, to explore the world, because the world is so big for everyone. So maraming salamat. Ciao. Bye.
There'll be girls across the nation that